Okay, what you can see right now is a major pump in Bitcoin. Now, this could be a lot of reasons. There were so many good news coming in for Bitcoin, and also the technicals were showing the same reasons, right? The previous videos drawing everything is there in this chart. Now, if you want to know how I have analyzed this, how I was able to predict the same kind of movement, if you want to know about all those things, I'll leave a link in the description below or on the right top corner of the YouTube video. Do check that out to understand what I was talking about in this. That's why all these arrows are there. And I did mention that if it could retrace till here, and then it might push up from here. Now, what we need to understand is if we have the closing like this, okay, we have another 4 minutes. Okay, anything can happen in 4 minutes, but still, what I feel is that most probably it will close it like this. Now, if this happens, this is really good news because we are breaking two major structures over here. Okay, there is one more over here that is at the starting of this falling wedge. Now, if that also, if the market can break up above that, now that's a really good news. Okay, now let's just analyze till where the market could go on to. Okay, it may not be just one full move upside unless there is really good fundamental behind it. But let's just look at the worst case scenario. Okay, now it's not a worst case scenario. This is just how the market technicals are. So most probably you could see a reversal from here as well, because this is such a huge mount. There will be a reversal. Okay, but before that we need to understand till where this move can go up to. So for that, let's take out our Fibonacci extension tool. Now, previously, like I mentioned, I was expecting the reversal till here. If you watch the video, you will understand I have taken this for this pattern. There were good chances that it could retrace up to 382. It barely tested 382 almost. Okay, we had two targets for this. One was 382 and one was 618. It didn't go up down till 618. It reversed from nearby to 382. Okay, so after this, let's look at this projection tool where it can go up to. So let's take out our Fibonacci extension tool and we'll do a projection for this impulse move. Okay, so we right now we are at 1414, that is at 51,266, and at 1618 we have 52,000. All right, and that is just above this structure over here. Now, like I mentioned, this is the start of the falling wedge. So if we can get a break and close above it, that will be a really good thing. Okay, but we have to see the probabilities over here as well. So even 1414 is a good level of termination of the trend. So there are chances that it could come back and retest this previous structures over here. Okay, if not, another small pump up and tests the 1618, and then from here it might be pushing it down for the reversal. Another 42 seconds, that's it. Most probably it will stay like this. Let's just hope that. And another question which I get is that, is this a trap for the push up? Most of the time you will see that people say that this could be a trap as well. Possibilities are there, but chances are minimal. Now, why I say that? Purely based on technicals. Okay, the way the push has happened, I believe that it is going to continue its trend, and all the technical reasons are there. And also we have this head and shoulders over here. So this is the left shoulder. I'm going to take this as the head. It is below this left shoulder, so I'm definitely going to take that. And this is the right shoulder for this. Now, you might be wondering why I have left this one. Now, when the market came and tested this level, this is more like a double bottom. So we can consider this head as this double bottom as the head. Okay. So that's how the market is. And I wouldn't call this as a good head and shoulder, because for the a good head and shoulder, you need to have a trend down. I mean, an inverse head and shoulder. You need to have a good trend down, and then it should form something like this. Now we are in the middle of a consolidation, a choppy market. So this is not a great inverse head and shoulder. However, the whole technicals are based on structures. Okay, if you know about the price action, you should be knowing this, that the structures are the the foundation of technical analysis. So we have the structures breaking. So this, whether you want to call it as a head and shoulders or not, it did break the structures. In fact, multiple structures. So this is a good signal. You can see now. I cannot comment on anything on this candle which is forming right now. But even if it is going down, I wouldn't be worrying about it, because most probably it will do a push down till here, and then it might go up and start doing a new highs from here on. Another thing which will worry me is if this retracement, okay, this push down, if it goes below this right shoulder which I have done, then that is a little worrisome. But still, if it goes all the way down till here, then only I'll be worried. If it goes till here, I'm absolutely fine with that. In fact, let's look at whether this is another pattern. Let's look at it. To A, so we do have, in order to check this pattern, I need to remove this head and shoulder. So, and I need to check whether this is 382. Let's see. It did touch the 382, so this could be a cipher pattern as well. So X to A to B, B to C, and CD completion. So this could be another pattern. So I really wouldn't worry if the market does the pullback all the way till this D completion. I won't be worrying about this, because this pattern, again, it is showing that there are chances that the market could, push up from there. So good news for all the Bitcoin holders. I really hope that you guys are all holding the Bitcoin. Even if it is Ethereum, I'm sure that Ethereum is also going up. There you go. It did break all the structures over here. Yeah, there is structures over here as well, but that's fine. This is a good push up. Plus, if Bitcoin is going up, Ethereum will go up. You can see that in the chart right now. The same pump, what you got in the Bitcoin, you have it in the Ethereum. You see? So this is a good thing. I hope it does not violate the major structure over here that is over this level right now. Now, unless we have a break and close below this, then only we should be worrying. Otherwise, we are just fine. All right. That's all for today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Do share it with other traders or investors, and let them know what we are doing over here. And do like the video, and yeah, and have a good trading week ahead.